Nicole's talking on the phone.
Hey, you're stuck in a rut there.
She's talking. The funniest is when she puts it to her neck. She thinks like that's her ear area. Oops. She fell. Say hello. She said sorry. Nicole. She truly is carrying a conversation with you in her way.
Well, she sounds energetic.
Yeah. Yeah. She's a happy baby. Tell Mary.